You search for how to fix offline mode not working in Google Sheets. That's exactly what we're going to get working right now. I'm going to open Google Chrome. If you're already in another browser, switch over now. Offline access really wants Chrome. I've signed into the Google account I use for Sheets, so at the top right you can see my profile picture. Now head to drive.google.com. Once Drive loads, click the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. The Settings panel opens. Look for the Offline section, which is near the top. There's a checkbox that says Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. If that box is not checked, tick it. The page will show a little status update while it turns on offline access. That's the master switch. If this is off, nothing works. Give it a moment. Now, while you're still in Settings, confirm whether the Google Docs offline extension warning appears. If it asks you to install the extension, click the link that says Install the Google Docs offline extension. That takes you to the Chrome web store. The official Google extension should be right there. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. You'll see the extension icon appear near your address bar. Go back to Drive and refresh the page. That makes sure everything's synced up. Next, we need to turn on offline availability for your actual spreadsheet. Find the file in Drive, right-click it, and look for the option that says Available Offline. Click it. You'll see a small check mark appear next to it, and a tiny cloud icon with a check will show up. That's the offline indicator. If you don't see that indicator, the file hasn't finished syncing yet. Open the spreadsheet now. While you're still connected, and look at the top near the file name, there should be a cloud with check icon signaling it's offline ready. If nothing appears, wait a few seconds. I always leave the sheet open for a moment to be safe. Sheets needs that window to cache the file locally. Now the real test. I'm going to disconnect my computer from the internet. I'll turn off Wi-Fi right now. Back in the spreadsheet, try to type something. If you can edit and the changes show up, offline mode is working. The edits stay local and sync later. If it's still complaining that you're offline, don't panic. We'll run through the rest of the checks because one small thing can block it. First, make sure you're not in an incognito window. Offline storage and extensions don't behave the normal way in incognito. Close any incognito windows, open a regular Chrome window, sign in, and open the sheet again. I've seen that trip people up constantly. Pop open Chrome's three-dot menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Look for Google Docs Offline. The toggle must be blue, enabled. If it's grayed out, click it to turn it on, then restart Chrome. When it's been disabled, Sheets can't store anything locally. Now let's clear the cache. In Chrome, click the three dots, pick Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Switch to the Advanced tab and make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. Set the time range to all time. I do that so we don't miss anything, and click Delete Data. When it's done, restart Chrome, sign back in, and test the sheet offline again. A corrupted cache can silently kill the offline feature, and clearing it often fixes it instantly. Another silent killer is full hard drive space. Offline files need local storage, and if your computer's disk is near full, Sheets won't be able to save the offline copy. Open your computer's storage settings. Check how much free space you have. If it's under a gig or so, clear out some files, then reopen Chrome and let the sheet resync. The indicator should appear after a few seconds. If you're on a work or school Google Workspace account, the administrator might have turned off offline access completely. You'll know because the offline setting in Drive will be missing or grayed out, and you can't even tick the box. In that case, you need to contact your Workspace admin and ask them to allow offline access. There's nothing you can do on your end. It's a policy setting on their side. One more detail, the file type matters. If you uploaded an Excel file and you're editing it in Google Sheets without converting it, offline support can be flaky. I always convert the file to a native Google Sheets format first. While the file is open, go to File, then Save as Google Sheets. That new file will work offline reliably. Other browser extensions can also interfere. Go back to Extensions and temporarily turn off anything that blocks scripts or modifies page content, then restart Chrome and test offline again. If offline suddenly works, you can turn extensions back on one by one to find the culprit. One last power move if nothing else worked. Reinstall the Google Docs offline extension. Remove it from Chrome, restart the browser, then go back to the Chrome web store, install it fresh, and restart again. Open Drive, recheck the offline setting, and re-enable the file. That resets the offline storage completely. Once you're reconnected, just open Google Sheets in the spreadsheet. You'll see a syncing message at the top. All your offline edits upload automatically. If you're about to travel, open each important file while you still have internet, make sure the offline indicator pops up, and then you're good to go. Test one file on purpose before you lose connection. The first test is always better than a surprise. If this got your Sheets working offline, hit the like button, subscribe for more straight-to-the-point fixes, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push these videos to other people who are stuck on the same thing.